Hi guys, it's Mark from POND.college, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today's video is how to install a mini goldfish pond. This is Luke. We're testing Luke just like we've tested Kenny in the past, and we're in the sandbox here at PC. So this video is not a technical video, so if you've got any technical questions, put it in the comments section below. If you're new to the channel or you're a new subscriber, welcome. What are you looking forward to in this build?
I'm looking forward to the whole thing, to be fair, getting in there, attempting my first one by myself. A little bit nervous, but mainly just excited.
Stay tuned for the Any Pond showcase. We're not treating this build like a job site. Luke's learning everything so he can go and get stuff. We've got enough pressure on Luke producing his first video as well. So what size pond is it? 6 foot by 4 foot?
6 foot by 4 foot pond by 18 inches deep.
So you've got all of the kit here. Got your brown ironstone.
Yeah.
God, you've got some big boulders.
Maybe.
You're gonna roll them into place?
Yeah. Hi guys, so that's the pond finished now. I'm very happy with it. For a first attempt, I think it's quite good. My favourite thing that I've actually done on it is to cut the lip off of the biofalls and wedge a big rock right up against it to use that as a spillway stone. Just been and bought 8 lovely looking goldfish. So now I can't wait to get them in the new home and bring the pond to life. I've put them inside the pond so that the water temperature can align with the temperature of the pond. I'll give them about 5 minutes in the bag, and then after that I'll gradually let a bit of the pond water into the bag so that they can get used to the new water.
That's fantastic. What a lovely pond. These fish are only going to be in here temporary. Build a pond is where these guys are going to go, but we thought we'd just put them in here and enjoy them for a couple of weeks. So I'm just going to literally put this water-soluble sachet in now into the pond, and this will seed all the filtration and process all of that toxin.